How to waterproof electronics. Have you ever thought about how to keep your electronics safe from water damage, especially when you are out in nature? If you're relying on devices for navigation or communication, waterproofing is essential. Let's dive into some practical methods to protect your electronics, particularly those vital navigation tools like global positioning system units. Waterproofing is all about creating a barrier that stops water from reaching the sensitive parts of your devices. This is especially important for electronics used outdoors or near water. One of the simplest ways to waterproof your devices is by using a sturdy plastic bag. Just place the device inside and seal it tightly. Make sure there are no openings. You can use electrical tape to secure any gaps for extra safety. If you do not have a plastic bag, balloons or cling film can work in a pinch, though they are not as durable. If you want to keep using your device while it is protected, consider investing in waterproof bags or cases designed for electronics. These are available at marine supply stores and allow you to operate your device through the bag. Some cases even float, which is great if your device accidentally falls into water. For devices that will be exposed to water often, you might want to try waterproof sprays or coatings. Products like Corrosion X can repel moisture when applied to circuit boards. If you can, open the device housing and spray directly onto the internal components. After spraying, clean the outside with isopropyl alcohol to help other sealants stick better. Hot glue and epoxy can also be used to seal specific areas like connectors or exposed wires. Hot glue is easy to apply and remove, making it a good choice for temporary fixes. Epoxy is stronger and ideal for permanent protection of sensitive parts. For a more advanced waterproofing method, consider potting compounds. These materials completely encase electronics in a solid, waterproof shell. However, they requiring careful handling and protective gear, as the chemicals can be hazardous. This method is best for devices that do not need to be serviced later. Silicone sealant is another option to create a flexible waterproof barrier. Apply it around seams, connectors, or any openings in the device housing. This method is useful if you need occasional access for maintenance. When using a global positioning system or other navigation devices in survival situations, waterproofing is key. It ensures your device works in rain, snow, or if it falls into water. Always test your waterproofing method before relying on it. You can do this by placing the protected device in a bowl of water for a short time to check for leaks. If you find yourself without commercial waterproofing products, improvisation is key. Use plastic bags, balloons, or tape for basic protection. Keep in mind that these methods may not be as reliable as commercial solutions. Remember, waterproofing electronics is a practical skill that can make a big difference. By using these methods, you can protect your navigation and communication tools, helping you stay safe and on course in challenging situations.